96.9 KISS FM, giving you 50 minutes of music or more every hour. Hacker hanging out Wednesday night, 3200-9669. How about new music right now? J. Cole, Trey Songz. It's called Can't Get Enough, right here on KISS FM.
Dude,
what's up?
Come with me outside, bro. Check this
What,
out,
dude.
Check this out, dude. You're gonna freak out. Watch. Hurry, real fast. Hurry. Dude, for
what is it?
Like the past 2 minutes, dude, since I was pulling up, man. Watch, check it out. Dude, it's like this loud sound outside, dude. It's like super loud.
What do you mean?
I don't know what it is, dude. Watch. Listen. It's like coming from the sky. Listen. Hear that?
Dude, what is that?
It's loud, huh? I don't know what it is. It's like coming. I don't know where it's coming from.
What is that?
You hear it?
You see anything in the sky?
No. I've been looking.
Dude, what is that?
I've been looking like I can't find nothing, dude.
How long have you been hearing it for?
Like 2 minutes. I don't know what it is. I have no idea, dude.
People over there across the street.
I know.
What is that? Whew. That is freaking weird.
It's loud, dude.
Dude, that freaked me out. I'm going inside. What is that?